And then now we're gonna do is smaller beads of number 19. I think it's 22, sorry. Base nude. And I'm gonna use a belly of the bristle and blend it. Pick a second bead, about same size as the first bead. Place it close to the cuticles. And what you're gonna do is blend the beads with the second beads. The second beads with the first bead. Keep the brush is parallel with the nails. The lighting make it looks cool. So now you are happy with this, you can cap it with crystal clear. It's important cap it right here where your is base nude and the neon green ombre. So then when you are shaping and filing and buffing, you are not taking your ombre's effects off. Tip of it inside. Right, so let it set